Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make delicious, creamy pumpkin cheesecake. This pumpkin cheesecake is lightly spiced, creamy and rich, and it's super easy to make. I have everything set up and ready to go, so let's jump into it. For this recipe, we'll need deep baking dish and a springform pan. Align the bottom of a springform pan with parchment paper, including the sides, and set aside. This step is optional, that is to easily remove the cake from the pan later. Next, we're going to crush some crackers for the crust. You can use any type of crackers you like. Mix together crumbs, pumpkin pie spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Mix well. Pour in the coconut oil and stir until crumbs are moist, not soaking but only moist. Pour the crumbs into prepared pan. Press cracker mixture into an even layer along the bottom of the springform pan and set aside. Next, in a large bowl, combine softened cream cheese, vanilla extract, and eggs, and mix until well blended and the cream cheese is very smooth. Blend for at least 1 minute. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. And continue to blend for another minute. Then add in pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And continue to blend until fully incorporated, stopping in between to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. And continue to blend for about 2 minutes. The texture of the batter should be very creamy. Pour pumpkin cheesecake filling into prepared cracker crust and spread the filling evenly. Meanwhile, boil some water. In a small bowl, combine pumpkin spice, nutmeg, cinnamon, and cocoa powder. Mix well and set aside. Wrap exterior of springform pan with layer of aluminum foil large enough to cover sides entirely and sprinkle the top of cheesecake filling evenly with spice mixture. Carefully fill enough boiling water around the sides of the pan to reach halfway up the sides of the springform pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 1 hour, no more, no less. Once the time is up, turn the oven off. Do not take the cake out of the oven and do not open the oven door. Let it stand until oven is cool. Only then take the cheesecake out of the oven and remove cheesecake from water bath and let the cheesecake cool to room temperature. Then cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 8 hours or overnight. On a day of serving, remove springform ring and transfer cake to a serving plate. Meanwhile, prepare the frosting. Blend cream cheese and pumpkin pie extract and blend the frosting until very creamy. For a beautiful rosette decoration, you can use a pastry bag if you like. That's exactly what I did with the tip 1A. Decorate the cheesecake as desired. Cut into slices and serve. This cake is sugar-free, but you can add some sweeteners. My husband likes it with manuka honey and I like with date syrup. You can drizzle it on top, or what I like to do some little creativity with plating. Whichever way you decide to serve it, it will still taste delicious. I hope you will enjoy this delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes and I will see you next time. Bye!